in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a network share in Linux and then pass it through to Linux Mint. New folder, we're going to label it share. We're going to create, let's do open, we're going to do touch test.txt, so we have something in the file. All touch does is to create a file, and then we're going to go to our settings. We're going to go to share folders. We're going to find our folder on our desktop. We're going to auto mount and hit OK. Then start our VM. Okay, from here, password's going to be password. Okay. Let's try to get this now to That's fine, we don't need it. Okay. Let's open the files. Let's see if our share is here. And it is, but we don't have access to it like before. So what we will do is do open in terminal. We're going to do sudo usermod tech a tech G bbox share folder group, and then we're gonna say bang user. Okay, from here let's do a reboot or shut down, and then we'll just restart it. There we go. You have access to the folder and the files. Thank you for joining me. That's all for this video.